and she read out, or she played a tape in which Mr. Depp said, "You will not see my eyes again." Do you recall that? And that was during the mediation process in July.
This is Amber Heard's lawyer trying to copy Depp's deep voice, and she's mimicking his words when he said he would not look into Amber's eyes again. She could have just read it normally, like any decent person could, but she decided to publicly mock Johnny. This is actually a reference to the first evidence brought in by Camille Vasquez, Johnny's lawyer, yesterday during cross-examination. Cammile asked Amber if she noticed that Johnny hasn't looked at her once from the moment she stood for trial, and Amber answered she had not noticed. Cammile then reminds Amber of Johnny's promise that Amber would never see his eyes again, in which Amber replies no.
You know exactly why Mr. Depp won't look back at you, don't you?
I do.
He promised you you would never see his eyes again. Isn't that true?
I don't recall if he said that.
So Cammile decides to refresh Amber's memory by playing a clip of Amber trying to make Johnny hug and touch her.
No, we'll never see each other again. You won't don't take my fucking glasses off. You don't like fucking looking at not my fucking eyes? You will not see my eyes again.
But he refuses and promises her never to look into her eyes ever again. This all happened after she had accused him of domestic abuse and had even filed a restraining order from him. Now Amber's lawyer asked Amber whether she remembers that tape, in which she replies yes. You can clearly see the pain in Johnny's eyes as he laughs at how she portrayed him.
She read out, or she played a tape in which Mr. Depp said, "You will not see my eyes again." Do you recall that?
I do.
And that was during the mediation process in July.
This is a man who has had his career and life destroyed by the one person he loved the most. He has had his name smeared in allegation of rape and domestic abuse. He has had his family and children relive through the horrors of having a father with domestic abuse charges on his head, and all this being false accusations. The least that lawyer could do is show him some respect. Amber's lawyer then uses this information to lead Amber into building another story of meeting Johnny at a lawyer's office where they were given time together.
Meeting after he said, "You will not see my eyes again."
We met in the lawyer's office. They gave us a moment. Johnny kissed me again, held me. I cried, he cried, and then...
And Johnny kissed her, and the two hugged, and the two cried together. But the entire time she's talking, Johnny just shakes his head in disbelief. At this point, they are disrespecting Johnny, and the lies should at least stop. Anyways, that is it for this video. See you in the next one.